Hello everyone, welcome to another Photopea tutorial video. Today I will show you how to make your image high quality in Photopea. So as you can see, we have an image of Lamborghini right here and we want to make it more high quality. So what we can do here is we can basically go obviously right click and convert this to smart object, and then what you can also do is you can also rasterize it. So go filter, and then here from filter what you can obviously do is you can go to camera raw filter. Right here you can adjust the temperature if you want to make this image to look a little bit poppy, right? As you can see, like this, maybe exposure a little bit like this, right? Contrast a little bit, vibrance, for example, like this, saturation maybe, a little bit like this. Click OK. Okay, now this image looks a little bit more live. Now what we can do to make this image even more higher quality is we can go to filter, and then we can go to sharpen, and then basically unsharp mask, right? You can do this, as you can see, and this will basically sharpen the image, as you can see right here, right? What you can also do is you can make the radius a little bit more, right? Or lower, as you can see, obviously, however you want. Click OK. You can also go filter, you can also go sharpen, and then sharpen more if you want to sharpen it even more. But usually this is the best without sharpen more, as you can see. And this is basically how to make your image high quality in Photopea. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.